probably heard it 100 times. Make money online, earn passive income. And let's be real, most of what's out there is outdated, overhyped, or just plain ineffective. But what if I told you that there are new methods out there? Methods that are quietly being used to generate $2,500 a month in just 2 months. Methods that aren't just theoretical, but are actively working right now. And here's the thing, very few people know about them. In this video, I'm cutting through the noise to reveal 5 powerful strategies that the majority of people are completely missing out on. These are the kinds of methods that aren't being talked about on every corner of the internet, but they're exactly what you need to know if you want to get ahead. If you've been struggling to find a reliable way to earn online, or if you're tired of trying the same old techniques that never seem to work, then you need to hear this. I'm going to break down these methods, show you how they work, and explain why so many people are failing to understand the potential right in front of them. So stick around. But before that, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: traditional ways to make money online. Now, I'm not knocking it, but blogging, affiliate marketing, and even old-school eBay flipping all had their time and place. But let's face it, the internet has changed. What worked like a charm back in 2010 is now about as effective as trying to dig a hole with a spoon. Take blogging, for example. In the past, you needed only a half-decent blog. Some SEO magic, ET Voila money would start trickling in. Today, the blogosphere is more saturated than my grandma's sponge cake. You've millions of blogs competing for the same eyeballs, and unless you're ready to write a whole novel on every topic or pour thousands into ads, well, good luck getting noticed. Affiliate marketing? Yeah, it works, but commissions are shrinking faster than a cheap wool sweater in a hot wash. Let's not start at the competition. Everybody and his dog appears to be affiliated nowadays, all promoting the same stuff to the same people. For all I know, I'm part of a race to the bottom. So, unless you have quite an influence or a big following, chances are you're fighting an uphill battle. What does all this mean for you? That it's time for a game change. It's time for you to start looking at what works now, not what worked 10 years ago. And believe me, there are juiciness and opportunity out there that most people are stone blind to. But before we get to some of the more delicious details, let me tell you a bit more about why you need to avoid those well-trodden pathways like the plague and start blazing a new trail. So far, we've discussed why the familiar doesn't work. Now, let's turn to new promising territories. I'm talking about 5 new state-of-the-art methods that are not only possible, but probable if you play your cards right. What we're talking about here is not something that some guy dreamt up just to have an excuse to discuss this issue for the sake of argument. They are proven formulas that real people are using right now, and best of all, they're still flying under the radar enough that you can get in on the action before everyone else catches on. So, here's what we're going to cover. Micro-niche YouTube channels. You don't need a million views to make bank. You just need a small, dedicated audience in the right niche. Skill-based freelancing. If there's one truth in today's economy, it's that the gig economy is booming. Digital product creation. Why work for money when you can make your money work for you? Create it once, sell it forever. Different take on affiliate marketing. The kind of affiliate marketing that is not dead, but does require a different way, is the one that I will be sharing with you. Take video editing, for example. In these days of content creators, everyone from YouTubers to small businesses needs to have top-quality video content. If you are a highly competent editor, then you can easily charge top dollar for your services. And do you know what's nice about that? You really don't even have to be a Hollywood-level editor. Just a solid understanding of the basics and a bit of creativity will do the trick. Or maybe even copywriting? With online marketing booming, businesses are constantly looking for copies that sell. If you can write interesting headlines, product descriptions, or even email campaigns, then you're in business. And don't forget social media management, because brands are really biting the bullets to find the right people to help them traverse the confusing and ever-changing world of social media. The thing is, whatever skill you have, there is somebody out there who is ready to pay for it. The trick is to position yourself as an expert, market yourself well, and here comes the clincher: always deliver top-notch work. Your reputation is everything in freelancing, and once you have a really good portfolio built up, you'll find clients start coming toward you en masse. So if you have a skill, why not put it to work? With platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, reaching clients is now easier than ever. Who knows? You might just find that freelancing gives you the freedom and income you've always wanted. Method number 3, making digital products. Well, why work for money when you can make your money work for you? This is the beauty of digital products. Once created, they go on selling many times again and end up monetizing without any extra input from your side. So what are digital products exactly? Think about it: ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, and even digital art. And the essence of digital products is that they do not come with an inventory, any shipping, or even little overhead. Once the product has been created, it only needs marketing. And with the availability of platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy, the marketplace is at your disposal. Let's say you're a graphic designer. Instead of selling your time creating logos for businesses, Why don't you make a series of ready-to-go template logos? Sell them on sites like Creative Market, and you get paid every time someone downloads it. Or maybe you're a fitness expert. Create an online course teaching your workout routine once. Once done, it can be earning money passively for months or even years. Method number 4, affiliate marketing with a twist. Now let's speak about affiliate marketing, but with a twist. I literally could hear you thinking that now. Affiliate marketing? Really? Isn't that dead indeed? Let me reassure you anyway. That's very alive right here. This is if you know how to play the game right. The traditional affiliate marketing of throwing up some links and hoping people click just may not work like it used to. But there's a smarter way to do it, focusing on high-ticket items or leveraging micro-influencer partnerships. How about instead of beating drums for dozens of low-ticket items, barely creating a commission for you, why not deal in high-ticket products that pay big? These are those influencers with a smaller following, but they remain highly involved. If you're able to join hands with them, you get to tap into their trust and credibility. They promote your product to their audience, and you're able to share the commission with them. There are subscription-based products you can sell as an affiliate. These are services for which you will continue to be paid as long as the customer remains subscribed. This can be a software, a membership site, or an online tool. You sell the product only once, and you are paid every month. This is what I categorize as passive income. So, if affiliate marketing is something you've been doing and been stuck with all these years, then it's about time you considered something new. Method number 5, online workshops, webinars. Online workshops and webinars aren't only something for folks who are pushing high-dollar coaching packages. In fact, if you have useful knowledge or skills in something that people will pay for, this is a great way to earn good money. Think about it, people are always out looking to mount new learning, whether it be improving business, picking up on a new hobby, or even getting adept at a skill they've always wanted to learn. And they are willing to pay for that knowledge, especially if it's delivered live and person to person. Well, first you find a topic around what you already know and is in demand. This could be anything from how to start a profitable side hustle to becoming a Photoshop expert in 30 days. The key is to focus on something specific that genuinely makes people's lives better. Now promote your workshop. Hell, this is where that good email list or a solid social media following comes in handy. If not, cool, there are always publicizing workshops via Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or even paid ads if on a shoestring budget. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the course of the webinar, you're not really teaching, you are rapport building, authority establishing, and very subtly selling. You might suggest a paid follow-up course, a one-on-one consultation, or even the possibility of joining a premium membership site. We have covered a lot of ground today. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what style you are going to do, or if you have any questions. I read them all, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.